Now I will talk about اللي هو discussion, but at the first time you must select what is the name of course. That is mean anything you want to add it to your courses as activity, you must select the course name. Here I will select as example Java programming. Then I will click on discussion. Discussion, that is the area to put it some topics for a student. Then the student will participate in some idea, a new discussion, a new information. That is good to put it some area to make participation for all students. Now you can see here a new. Okay, you can see here a new. A new, that is mean you want to start with a new form or a new topics. A new form, that is mean for arrange discussion area. Okay, I will ask the first time must we have one form at minimum to take 2 topics inside this form. At the first time you must have one form. Here I have one form. I will add it a new one. A new form will ask me what is the details in name. I will write unit 1 discussion, discuss. Okay, then I will say if you want to add it any here, if you want to add it any description, you can write here anything you want. Then you can say save and close. Now I'm created one. In our page, option under description. About اللي هو here I will go to edit the form. Edit, that is mean you can return another time, then you can make an edit. Here الoption allow اللي هو anonymous post, that is mean anybody can participate with this area. You can moderate, must be approved individual post before the display. That is mean must about the stuff must be read what the student write in this topics. Then I will accept to display or to publish for a student. You can select what the option you want. Visibility, form all the time visible. That is mean you don't restrict it with time that is written to you. Maybe you will want some topics to be all the time discussion between the student and between the staff, or you can hit a form. Maybe you will create this form at the first semester, then will be activate at the middle of semester. Then you can ask hit form. A form is visible in a specific day range. You can select which time you want the form to be visible for a student. That is mean after the end of the day, that is mean will be hidden. The student will be not participate. Can be read what posted from another student, but not participation with topics. Okay. If I want to go back to that one, forum. The first one is now first one. Yes, if I want to go back. Now you unit 1, session plan 1. Okay. If I want to go back, open it again. Okay. Now I will select it. You can see here something. Unlock form, look form. Maybe some students will be written something you don't want to participate to publish for a student. You can ask to look. Maybe the student will be written in something not good in this form or in this topics, you can lock a form. That is mean stop for any participation to post it in the form. Then you can save and close here, because we ask to here ask me you want to put it a date and time to finish, so I will ask always visible, because now I'm in a training time that is written to you to select what the option you want. Then I will ask save and close here. Dr. Sausan asked me how to return to edit this form. You can select any form you want here. In this one, you can see edit form or add topics. You know now, form this area, form that is mean you can put it too much topics for a student to participate in posted something information. If you want to add it any topics for discussion here, add topics will be C. By default, put it Unit 1 discussion. A title for topics, I will tell a student define of Java language. You must write some topics related with your courses, or you can use this area to make self-learning for students. You can ask something not available in your courses, maybe extra information you want the student to search about by the internet. Okay, you can here write anything, language. Okay, then you can ask to description, that is optional if you want to write any description. That is a guide for a student how to post it, what you need, specific information to post it in this topic. Here about allows anonymous post, that is mean any student, I don't want to know which student write this one. Here you can select if you want to read what the student participate, then can post it all the time. Any student participate, post it without return to my opinion or to the instructor of the course. Okay, understand me? No, yes, if you ask, a moderate must be approved individual post before you must select this. That is mean any student will be post anything inside a topics that is written to me to make posted or published or not published. Here availability here related with topics is always visible like a form before, but now I'm talk about a topics. That is mean you sometimes you have a one form with multiple topics. You don't want to hidden a form. You want to hidden some topics inside form. You can select from here a topics related with day. Okay. Then at the finish, you can see a looking option like a form. Then you can see save and close. Now I have a form with a specific topics inside. You can see form with topics defined. You can add it more and more topics. Okay, for now, here about the action to arrange, to make order, to make a copy. Maybe you want to copy the same topics to another form. Okay, about subscription. You want to show notification in main bar only. If you want any student participate with the form, send me a notification here to know that. Send me instant notification message, email, or in my summary of activity. You can change the email if you any student participate with the form can send to another. All the time I'm asking participation or staff to make another email if she want to send an email notification because you will have too much email inside اللي هو المين email. So created a new email to notification about D2L. That is all about discussion. Now some stuff will be ask me how to connect it with my courses. Now I'm created discussion. You remember when I talk about connect here, الcontent, I will display content about this course. You can see here I have week 1, week 2, week 3, all the time display how many activities. Anything inside week 1 will display directly in the right hand. Now you can see here activity, self-learning, homework, Java programming, here about the Dropbox. Okay, now I will add it a new discussion for a week 3. Then we'll send it to a week 3. I will add it a new module. I will ask here added a new module, sub-module inside the module that is mean related with activity. I will ask اللي هو discussion area. Here, discussion, I think discussion area. When you created a sub-module, okay, you can see here week 3, lecture 3 inside activity and another activity with sub-module. I will ask here not new. Here when you ask new, that is mean you will created a new activity. But now I have something created. I will go to add existing activity. You can see discussion will be connected with discussion tools. I have two forms inside the discussion area. I will select discussion. Unit 1 will be transferred to the topics inside the form. I will select, I want this one topics. Okay, now the student will be participate with this one. Any activity you created inside any tools, you must or all the time connected with your content. That is very useful for a student. Okay, clear for all stuff now? Any student will participate with this topics inside the form only will be click on the name or on the title of the topics. About the stuff here can make an edit. The properties in place will send to make a edit. The student don't have any this menu to make any updating or to make any edit for topics or for your form. Any question about the discussion? Any question about the discussion?